Hello, a quick update as we get ready for what will be the final set of pre-orders for the C50 Pro. First of all, thank you so much for your patience, for your support. I know we lean on our early adopters a lot, and I really want to thank you for being there with us through these last few months as we work towards refining the C50 Pro and taking it to production. I have 2 points I want to make to you. Now, as we've listened to your feedback, we do have continuous improvements that we are doing to the product family, both by way of software/firmware updates and by way of improvements to some of the plastics. The first one, obviously, you will get it through the standard update process. I just want to reassure you that the plastic or any component improvements we make will also be made available to you. Right, so you might be wondering, what are those improvements and when will I get them? Maybe give us some time. We will do a round of additional helmet kits sometime in January. And I think that's a good point of time for me to summarize to you the continuous improvements that have happened and how we will make it available to you in batches. It might take us 2-3 months before we service everybody who's pre-ordered with us, but we will do that. Any continuous improvement we make, we will make it available to you. That's the first point I want to make. The second one, we are running our final set of pre-orders for the C50 family from today until the 2nd of January. Post this, we will be going to dealers, we will be going to e-commerce marketplaces where the product will be at full price. So if you want to encourage your friends to take advantage of this early adopter pricing opportunity, please do so. Again, the details of what is the pricing, etc. Some of it you will see on the screen right now. Some more will be available in the description. So once again, thank you so much for your patience, for your support. Happy holidays to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful 2025. Thank you.